Let's see what's in the package. First, let's measure the size of the radio. The outer frame length is 7.28 inches. The frame length inside is 6.68 inches. Depth is 2.95 inches. Width is 2.17 inches. Depth is 3.15 inches. These are accessories come with the radio. You can press the mode button to switch FM USB SD AUX Bluetooth in different modes. Besides, you can press the left and right buttons to search for FM channel and radio modes. Press the mode button, toggle USB. Press and hold for 3 seconds to manually search for USB/SD mode. Short press to select previous and next song. Long press to fast forward or rewind. It can also be done with the steering wheel, remote control, song cut/pause/mute/volume adjustment, and other modes. Press the mode button, toggle Bluetooth function. Connect the mobile phone Bluetooth. You can implement Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music playback. After connecting to Bluetooth, the steering wheel remote control can also control the playback and call the mobile phone. This is EQ debugging. Thanks for watching.